Children, now we will translate the words in our mother tongue. Stubborn, आडमुठा, हट्टी. Firm, ठाम राहणारा. Careless, निष्काळजी. Helpless, असहाय्य. Clumsy, वेंधळा. Naughty, खोडकर. Quarrel, भांडण. Error, चूक. Rude, उद्धट. Duty, कर्तव्य. Now take any situation from the poem and use the ideas from poem and try to write short speeches. Here see some examples. Situation: raising one's voice. Don't shout, it is rude shout. How dare you raise your voice? It's shocking. Now you will answer. A speech in which the grown-up explains why his or her own actions are right. Well, I was not quarreling with our neighbor, but you see, I have to tell him if he does a wrong thing. He refuses to accept his mistakes, so I was discussing it with him. Now we will take some situation from the poem and show how grown-up reacts. A speech when child has broken something. I have told you many times. Concentrate on what you are doing. You are just careless and clumsy. You never do anything properly. A speech when child wakes up late. How crazy you are. I have told you again and again, wake up on time. But who cares? Now you will be late. You will miss your bus. Very nice, children. Now we will make two groups and discuss the statements. One group should support the statement and other group should oppose it. You may use English or your mother tongue whenever it is necessary in discussion. Statement 1 is, grown-ups are always right. Yes, they are always right because they have experience. No, grown-ups are not always right. They use double standards as they are grown-ups. They have different rules for them and for the children. No, that's not true. They just want the child to behave in good manner. No, not. They are not always right. Very nice. Now we will see next statement. Statement 2 is, child is always right. Yes, a child always tries to follow or imitate elders. So they are right. No, we don't believe that a child is always right. His learning process is ongoing, so he may be wrong many times. We do not agree with you because grown-ups behave wrongly with them. No, they are not always right. Very good. Children, do you like rhyming words? Yes, very much. Okay, then you will try to tell rhyming words from the poem. Lazy, crazy. Stubborn, firm. Careless, helpless. Terror, error. Naughty, duty. Right, delight. Rude, good. Very good. Now let's understand the meanings of difficult words. Stubborn. A stubborn person does not change the way he acts or thinks. Though it may not be nice. आडमुठा म्हणजे हट्टी. Firm. Who takes decision and does not change म्हणजे ठाम राहणारा. Clumsy. Without skill or neatness म्हणजे वेंधळा, गबाळा. Terror. Here means a person who gives lot of trouble. त्रासदायक. Forgivable. It is not serious and one can stop being angry about it. म्हणजे माफ करण्यासारखे. Error. Mistake. चूक. Delight. Joy. म्हणजे आनंद. Hope you enjoyed this poem, children.